it's Michelle. But first, let me get into this video. So I am working with Nadula Hair, and I'm gonna show you this wig, right? Here's what came in my box. I have the wig. So listen, I saw the texture of this V-part wig, and I was like, oh, okay, so let me go ahead and do something to allow the hair to blend in with my natural texture. So here is the texture. It is Brazilian, 150% density. All right, it's got this really cute natural wave pattern that I'm probably gonna destroy later because I'm going to add water and mousse and comb it out and brush it out. This V-part wig, you barely need any leave out, like at all. So I did all of this for nothing. So I put these rods in after I twisted my hair up. I'm gonna do something different because I saw this really cool method on TikTok called the crochet method. So you guys get to watch me struggle braid because I don't know how to braid. Now listen, when I say I can't braid, obviously I can braid. I can braid hair, I just can't do it straight. So the reason why V-part wigs are so great is that you can have your hair braided up underneath them and you don't have to have any leave out. I would think that if you're gonna use this as a protective style, then you probably want as little hair out as possible. So this is all as deep as I need to go, so I'm not even gonna take the rest of the twist out. I'm just gonna see what happens if I just braid this section up. All right, man, this is what I got. Hang it up, flat screen. Listen, it's not gonna get any better than this. This is the extent of my braiding capabilities. I'm pretty darn proud of what I have so far. So this is the foundation, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and place this bad boy on. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. It's got all these little baby evil combs. These are the evil combs, okay? But they do the job. They get the job done. Then we got these temple combs. There's one comb in the back. And then on the inside is the stretchy band. So before I put it on, I'm going to pop them tags. There's one evil one right here too. Please don't let nobody rip this off your head. This is good. So I'm gonna go down the line and engage these combs. Okay, so you see it's in there. It's not coming off. It's 24 inches long, Brazilian hair, like I said, 150 density. So now the goal is to do the crochet method and have the hair look like it's really coming out of my scalp. Just in case somebody wants to get 2 inches away from my forehead, okay? Somehow I found one of these. You take a little bit of hair, go in right here, hook the hair on my crochet needle, and go back through, and it's giving me this, all right? I'm gonna go through all of this, like all the way up, and then I'm gonna spray it with some water, and that will help it lay down and not be looking like that. Love the things we do when it's just us two, but tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Whoever came up with this method is a goddamn genius. It's a little tricky because I'm sitting here trying to do it in the mirror and I don't know, my left was going right, but oh my God. Look at that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do to make it look even better, and I saw this on this girl's crochet channel. She used thinning shears. I'm just going to lightly, okay, take a little bit off the top like this. All right, just like that. I know y'all like it. Michelle, what you doing? Michelle, this is crazy. You will see in a moment why. You back comb it. Basically what you're trying to do is cover up any holes that you might have missed when you were pulling your hair through with the crochet needle. Ah, y'all, this looks so real. This looks so natural. This is why the girlies wear crochet hair for vacation, okay? That's wild. This is my scalp. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Innovation. Onto the hair. This is the curl pattern that it came in. I'm going to wet the hair and smooth some product in it. I'm just gonna use some Design Essentials Foaming Mousse. And we'll see what kind of texture that gives us.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for.
So I put a bunch of mousse in my hair. It's pretty damp. I'm gonna go ahead and let that air dry. And I'm gonna beat my face. Okay, so the hair is pretty much dry. And it looks so good. Y'all, V parts. I cannot get over how natural that looks. Whoever came up with the crochet method for V parts and U parts, you deserve your flowers. I'm gonna cut a little bit because you know I can't help myself. Just a little. Nothing too crazy. Make sure the sides match. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss before I fluff the hair out a bit, because you always want to be glossy. My final consensus on this V-part rig is you really don't need to leave anything out. This is crazy, okay? I even tucked the hair that I had pulled out right back underneath the scalp. Because if it doesn't need to be out, it's not gonna be out. We're trying to preserve some edges. We're not gonna lose our mind in the summertime and wind up bald in the fall, okay? Here is my leave out, which there is no leave out. That's wild. That's wild. That's growing. That's my hair. Fine.
You'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh baby, you know you're wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality.
Now all that's left to do is fluff her out with just a tickle. And we are good to go, honey. Super natural. And you know what? If you can't deal with the crochet thing and you don't have a crochet hook, you can just do the old school thing, but it's just the way that the wig is, it like blends into your hair anyway. So if you don't want to do all the crochet things, you don't have to. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information about everything that you see in this video will be in the description box below. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
We've been keeping it in the house, Netflix and chilling, a GDM, yeah. Didn't wanna share my